Hey guys, Panda 6147 here today with
Monkey Man 1 2 3 4.
Monkey Man's. Can I say it? Creepo Stalker. You know that person. Okay. No, I am.
Yeah, my
her sister.
Cute Cry is with us.
Yeah, I am.
Kind of. I don't know where she really is.
No, I'm. Say hi or
and I really don't care.
Say hi or
I need to go find my Christmas tree. So I'm decorating for Christmas, and as you know, I have a bunch of stuff. And now I need to go find all my stuff.
Yeah, I can't remember what video it was, but you were buying stuff and like you had to recycle everything.
I need to recycle almost everything.
What?
So I have like
now let me wait.
I have 4 spaces open. I just recycled some
Wow.
stuff. So I'm gonna need to recycle a bunch more, but who knows?
Really, cute quad? Oh my god, you have got me.
Yay! I found my Christmas tree.
Oh my lord. Whatever, I rage quit. I guess I can show you guys my Christmas then. It's not much. I mean, have these candy canes.
It's not much.
No.
I have candy canes though.
Sure.
For you.
Got some gingerbread mans. Got my hot cocoa machine's always here. I've got.
It's Christmas, right?
Got my Christmas tree, and actually, I have some more Christmas items a little bit further back. I have like a Christmas log, and then I have some presents. Here are the
This looks
presents.
horrible, OMG.
Oh lord.
As you know, I'm not the best at it.
Yeah, I'm setting my expectations very low, by the way.
Oh, good, because this isn't gonna be very high.
You have your brush somewhere, right?
Yeah, it was. You had it in your. Hold on, I think it's in my suitcase.
I don't need it. I'm just.
Time to know globe. Hello, peeps. Let's get funky, y'all.
Alright, sorry, people. Alright.
I have a snow globe.
Yeah, I had a snowman, but probably traded it. Because I'm
I have
amazing.
a snowman.
What? How many?
I don't trade things.
How many snowmen do you have?
Probably 1. I don't know.
Well, that sucks. Oh wait, I actually do have a snowman. Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, I guess this. Okay. Set.
Oh, I can put my snowman like right here. Hold on, I need to hug my dog.
Sorry.
Ow, you stepped on my foot. Oh my god, ow. Anyway.
Someone just logged into my account.
Oh, I bet I know who that someone freaking is.
Okay. Okay, let's get back.
That never happened.
Yeah. Really, now I need to redecorate my whole den again.
Wow. Ooh, what parties?
Say properly. Okay. Wait, can you buy presents?
No, you can't. You have to trade. Was 101 Koala Sadie?
Why is there Minecraft stuff and it's
I don't
just
know.
bothering me?
Like,
Sorry.
here, I'll show everybody if they haven't noticed.
What?
Minecraft. Like, Minecraft.
I get it, Minecraft.
I kind of like the couch.
Really?
Mhm.
Happy because it's Minecraft.
Oh my gosh, we'll make a Minecraft then. I have a Minecraft channel. Go subscribe to it, please. I'm not loved anymore.
I'm starting one, so
Ah.
subscribe to me if you like me. If you don't, you're just mean.
I'm pretty sure everybody likes me.
Everyone likes me.
Mm.
Big Jimmy.
I'm eating combos right now.
Are you serious right now?
I'm not, right? Olives and combos. Hey, they have real cheese, so they're
Also, it's like, I don't know,
pretzels
10
are
in the morning, and you're eating combos.
It's 10:30. Okay?
It's 10:28 to be exact.
Well,
Get your time right.
I've flown through every different time zone there is in the country. I don't care.
It's like 2 minutes ahead. Seriously, get it right.
No.
It's a hot cocoa machine because we all need hot cocoa, right?
Whatever, I'm getting hot cocoa. You guys get to see how I make my specialty Panda Girl hot cocoa. You do that with cream and candy canes, and you're awesome. Thank you for watching, suckers. Okay.
Thank you for watching the shortest video ever.
It's 6 minutes.
But what if you just made a thing then made the video over? This is how you make a Panda Girl specialty. 2 seconds later, bye-bye.
Oh my god. We should do cooking with... We should do Panda Monkey AJ cooking.
And you just said it right now. Like, serious.
Yeah. Oh.
I can make the most awesome kitchen ever.
No, I'm gonna make the kitchen.
No!
I'm making it right now. No. Yeah. Ooh. Our
I have
first...
an ice cream parlor, like things though.
We do not need those for a cooking show.
I know, it's like the perfect thing though. Then put it in the oven.
You don't put ice cream in the oven, but go with that.
What?
Okay, you know what? I don't want to design this on camera.
Bye-bye, peeps. Shortest video ever.
It's 7 minutes, whatever. Let's end it. So I'm bored.
Tuesday 10.
Whatever. Okay. Bye, people. Okay.
Bye, peeps.
Bye.